I'm going to be diving into the creative aspect of this channel, how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos using Canva. Welcome back again to Holistic Growth with Rachel Motayo. First off, what is even the benefit of having a YouTube thumbnail? It grabs the attention of your viewers. It increases engagement. How do we create these? First thing first, you want to have a Canva mobile app on your phone. You open the app on your phone, sign in, and just type YouTube thumbnail in the search button, and it's going to bring out a lot of YouTube designs. Yes, you can start from the scratch if you want, but most times I like using already made designs. I just tweak it to fit in whatever thing I want to use. So this particular design, if you notice, it has a Canva watermark on it, right? That's because the picture is under Canva use. So I had to delete that and have a new background, and I'm looking at having a gradient background. So I just pick one of the colors from the gradient in Canva and edit it to fit my brand color for my YouTube videos. So even noticing my brand color for YouTube video is like purple, pink, gold, something like that. So I picked both color because for the gradient color, there are like two colors combined together. You can see that it's giving that purple and gold mixed together, right? And I do the same thing for my the write-up on the design. Yes, so I changed the color of the write-up. I'm still going to change the write-up itself. I just want to change the color and see what it looks like first. And I also remove the effect, the text effect, because I really do not like how it's giving me two sheets of color in one text. But if you want that, you can do that. And now here I am changing the text. So you just change the text to fit whatever thing you are doing in your thumbnail. So I wrote here that make a thumbnail with me in 5 minutes. I think, yeah, that was what I wrote. So you can change the font size, reduce it so that it can fit in the box. Also, you can change the font style as well. Maybe you don't want this particular style, you want another form of style, you can change it as well. And I'm done with that part. I need to add a picture. You need to add a picture as well. It gives it it pulls people, like people get to see your face and like, oh, okay, which is beautiful. So I decided to edit the picture itself. So you just use the icon adjust. You change the temperature, the brightness, contrast. Don't edit it too much. Just try to increase it bit by bit. For my shadows, I like to go backward because it gives the vibe. It just gives it that black tone around the picture, and yet still give it clarity. Yes, so I'm done with editing the picture itself. And yes, my highlight, I like adding an outline. An outline. If you notice it automatically when you click on outline, it's going to bring out the black outline. So I had to change it to white, and white is ash FFFFF on Canva. I noticed that the white is not giving me the vibe I want it to give me. So since one of my brand color for my YouTube channel is yellow, like golden yellow, I had to edit that and use that instead. So you can see that this one is giving. And also I noticed that the yellow background is affecting my yellow outline. So my style already, my gradient color style already have the combination of purple and gold, right? So I can change it to whichever. Maybe I want the gold to be in the middle, I want the gold to be by the side. I can change to whatever thing I want, and I am done with the design. It's as simple as that. Did you find this helpful? Then subscribe and like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.